What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of El Jardín Perdido. Today, we're stocking the pond with butterfly koi fish. All right guys, so in my last video, I did an extensive pond cleanup, got rid of a lot of cattails, and I ordered some butterfly koi, 10, 2 to 3 inch from Toledo Goldfish. I'd like to give them a little thanks for giving me a small discount. But yeah, let's crack this open and see what we're working with. So you want to cut it?
No, you want to hold it right here?
Yeah, just watch your other hand.
Oh, okay.
And then,
Wait, no, let me do that. I don't want to cut you.
well, don't cut your hand either.
This thing is weird because your other insulation.
All right, let's see. All right, everyone looks healthy. So what, we're gonna put it in the pond?
Yeah, just like put it on the edge like this.
Yeah. Make sure they don't float away too far.
Do you have a rock?
Releasing some koi, or no, we're releasing shrimp. Ooh, why is there oil in there?
I think it's from my tank. I think that might be biofilm.
Oh, okay.
Like here, I can just do this, and then this is the other bag, so we can just take it out. So yeah, the second bag. So
Actually, an underwater release would be pretty cool too.
yeah. So are you gonna release it underwater? Cause like right as you cut it, you have to put them in.
Where should I cut it? Up top?
Yeah, up top.
All right, hang on, just wait for mine. And make the hole nice and big so they can get out.
Yeah, all right.
Hang on. All right, so release.
Here, you have to kind of like push them to get out. They're coming now. You start doing some time.
I think you can like lead them out, yeah. These guys are swimming around. Temperature's nice in there. That's good footage. Real good footage. There we go. All right guys, so we're all stocked up and the fish seem happy, well acclimated. Gave them about 15 minutes to acclimate. They got delivered here outside, the pond's outside, relatively similar temperature, so I didn't sweat it too much. My son also released some of his shrimp in there, so hopefully they won't all become food, but just kind of something interesting. We just throw stuff in there all the time. It's kind of just a loosey-goosey operation to see what'll thrive, what won't. We don't sweat it too much, although I would like the koi fish to survive. So yeah, they seem relatively happy. As far as the shipment, you can tell there was a lot of care. They were double bagged. I believe there is either a heating or cooling pad, probably a cool pack, seeing that they were being delivered into Texas from Toledo. But I do want to thank Toledo Goldfish once again, because all the fish were intact. They seemed nice and healthy. None of them were overly shocked either. And the package was labeled live fish. So hopefully anyone in transit handling the package took pretty good care of them as well. All right guys, well that's gonna do it for today's video. As always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.